Welcome to Aviator DB News Briefing. Today is Saturday, May 30th, 2026. Here are today's top stories. Austrian pilot faces criminal charges after Cessna paraglider collision. Duplicate call signs create safety risk as two 5383s share ATC frequency. Fatal skydiving collision at Paris leaves one dead, one critical. Now for the details. Criminal charges filed. Austrian authorities have filed a criminal complaint against a Cessna pilot following a mid-air collision with a paraglider over the Alps on May 23rd. Salzburg State Police confirmed the complaint was lodged May 26th for negligent bodily harm under Austrian law. The paraglider pilot received treatment for bruises and contusions, while the Cessna pilot sustained no injuries. No formal safety investigation. The incident has been reported to Austro Control, but the agency will not open a formal safety investigation. This decision leaves questions regarding visual acquisition and closed airways unanswered. Aviation experts note that closing speeds and background contrast often make visual detection difficult in such encounters, citing similar U.S. NTSB findings on mid-air conflicts. Both aircraft were operating legally, and neither was required to have transponder or radio contact, which remains central to the ongoing airspace safety debate. Aviation professionals are analyzing a radio communication incident involving two aircraft using the same flight number on the same frequency. The incident, highlighted in a viral analysis by pilot content creator Captain Steve, shows controllers dealing with two 5383s on frequency, a duplicate call sign situation that creates critical safety hazards known as call sign confusion. Captain Steve, an airline pilot and aviation safety commentator, used the incident to emphasize the importance of radio discipline. His analysis notes that while pilots must follow strict readback and hearback protocols, the systemic issue of duplicate identifiers requires constant vigilance. Such confusion often arises from code share arrangements or regional carriers operating similar numerical flight numbers within overlapping airspace sectors. Regulatory bodies, including ICAO and the FAA, maintain policies requiring call signs to be distinct and unambiguous to prevent such errors. While no formal investigation has been filed for this specific event, the incident serves as a case study for operational safety as aviation authorities continue employing deconfliction tools to ensure unique identifiers during high-traffic periods. Fatal skydiving incident in Riverside County, Paris, California. A mid-air collision during a skydiving jump at Skydive Paris left one person dead and another critically injured on May 28th. The incident occurred shortly before 2 p.m. near the 600 block of East Ellis Avenue in Paris, Riverside County. Skydive Paris manager Dan Brodsky-Chenfeld said all three skydivers were experienced jumpers traveling from overseas. Preliminary reports indicate two of the friends collided during freefall, though all parachutes deployed successfully before landing. Riverside County Sheriff's deputies found the deceased on the east side of Interstate 215, while the injured skydiver was located on the west side. Riverside County Fire Department responders transported the critical patient to a hospital. Authorities confirmed no signs of foul play and launched a full investigation. Skydive Paris management expressed deep sympathy for the victims and their families. The tragedy follows a 2024 incident at the same drop zone where a dust devil contributed to fatal injuries for an instructor and student. That's all we have for today. You can get the latest aviation news at aviatordb.com.